here, please don't hit my flowers. This pan right here is what I'm supposed to put my chicken in.
They go in this?
I think he's got to sit on a rack.
I think it's got to be on the back.
2 wire racks. It needs a wire rack.
Where's that little? What?
This is my recipe.
How's it
Except
set up?
I'm not barbecuing it.
No. So how's it look like it's set up? So you don't need.
Next, insert wire rack in level 1 position. Level 1 position.
Yeah.
A bottom oven.
Okay. Now.
And then place the sheet pan with the whole chicken.
Okay. This sheet pan.
In there.
In there like that. Okay.
Close the door.
Yeah.
Begin begin cooking.
So that's just
Top oven will we'll read 45. Blah 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 blah.
Right.
I ain't making macaroni and cheese up there. I'm making rolls.
Right. Okay. So
he's got to fit in here.
Yeah.
So maybe he's got to be just pushed down a little bit. I don't know.
I'll have to see.
Maybe a 5-pound chicken really ain't that tall. I don't know.
Okay. We'll find out. Now with this.
The roasting pan is probably more for like my pork roast that's gonna bleed. But
okay.
I would use this anyway because it's gonna, the juices aren't gonna stick on it.
So you put that. Is that what it shows? You put this one in.
It don't show doubling it up, but I might double it up.
Well, it shows it. Well, where's the juices and stuff gonna go if you don't put it inside that? You're only increasing it a little bit. All you're doing is flatten that out so that the juices go down here. I don't know why you need I don't even know why you need the wire rack unless it's to get the air underneath it.
Here.
Huh?
So it nestles inside. So you were right about that. It curls right up inside
so it goes
here.
Inside here, so all the juices and stuff
We should go down there.
go in there. Yeah.
And that should be neater.
Right.
And
You could probably just put the turkey in or the chicken right in it anyway.
Tiny little bit of extra rum
Right.
ain't gonna make no difference.
Nope.
This is so that when the juices cook,
Yeah.
they go down in,
Yeah.
and it ain't sitting in its own juice. I don't
Right.
like anything to sit in its own juice.
Right.
Because it's not as good.
Right.
So then when that comes out, and this is carefully lifted with my little things,
Right.
I got all this juice in here,
Right.
and if I want to do something with it, I can, or if I don't have to.
You don't have to. Right.
But at any event, this kept the chicken from sogging up on the bottom and not getting crispy.
Either way, might as well use it.
I don't want it to not be a crispy chicken.
Might as well use it,
So that should
all
go
the
in
time.
there.
Anyway, yeah.
Well, that's why I wanted it.
Yeah.
That should go in there.
Anyway.
Like you said.
Yeah. Anyway.
But see, I gotta keep all this stuff together.
Now I guess depending on if the chicken is
Because he should be nice looking. Look, he should be nice looking.
If the chicken's too big, I guess you could take that out, and that would give another.
You really can't because you need the air to circulate. That's convection down there.
So maybe that's okay.
You have to keep those racks in there. That's convection. Put in here as I want to put our chicken.
Yeah, I know. I'm just looking at the size of the chicken.
Well, I
And I'm
know.
wondering if you, depending on the size, you even need that rack.
We just gotta look and
Anyway.
see
Anyway.
what it says as far as how big it
says
really is.
A 5-pound chicken.
Yeah.
5-pound chicken. Okay.
A 5-pound chicken might only be that tall.
Okay.
I don't know.
All right, there we are. We're discussing the adding of cooking a 5-pound chicken. So we're going to find out this afternoon
It says
and go from there.
It says you can do it. I actually watched a video on YouTube of a guy with my same
Oh,
oven,
you did? Okay.
and he made himself a 5-pound chicken in there.
Okay.
He told me how you do it. You go here, you turn this. When it says this, it's either a small or a large roast.
Yeah.
Yada, yada, yada.
Yeah.
Air roast it or whole roast it, whichever you want to do.
Yeah.
He said it takes about an hour
Okay.
for a 5-pound chicken.
Okay. It's just coordinating the.
And then I thought I'd chop up them little tiny
pans.
red potatoes over there
Okay.
and maybe bake them up here.
Okay.
So I guess I'm not making my rolls up there because that's why I
Okay.
got them red potatoes.
Okay. So. Okay, so we're back to looking for chickens, and in this case we're looking at turkeys that'll go in that Ninja. These are 5 pound. These are 5-pound turkeys, and we just got a.
Here's our turkey, our chicken.
Got a 5-pound chicken. So we'll see how tight of a fit that's going to be in that Ninja. All right, we're back. Well, that's what it looks like after it was baked in the Ninja. And she cooked up some small potatoes.
Red.
And bread, huh?
Red potatoes.
Red potatoes, not like brown. But, so
It's in your recipe book.
she said that cooked right on through. It's nice and moist. So it passed our test, and that was a 5-pound, 4.5 pound chicken. And she said there was plenty of room left in there.
Yeah, there's probably about 2 inches more up top.
So we were worried about it being too small. All right, and
The thing is,
of course she used the probe and got
I
the
used
inside.
probe, but I couldn't get these 2 ovens to do the smart finish, so I gotta call Ninja because I followed the directions in the book, and I just couldn't get it to cooperate.
Well,
So
we'll follow in on that on the
I'm not
next
sure if I
time around here.
have a defective smart finish. I don't know.
I don't know. All right. So
But
if you like, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And this was cooking a 4.5 pound chicken in the Ninja's double oven.